This is Silent Sound Mind Control Explained Part 2. Use of recorded brain waves instead of a hypnotist's voice. In Silent Sound Mind Control Explained, we learn that a patented mind control device exists that can inject a hypnotist's voice into a microwave broadcast. And then the embedded hypnotist's instructions are transmitted via microwave hearing directly into the brain of an unsuspecting human. Microwave hearing was first discovered by Dr. Alan Fry in 1961. The patent for silent sound, U.S. Patent 5159703, issued October 27, 1992, states that the carrier frequencies used for silent sound subliminal mind control can be transmitted in real time or recorded and stored on mechanical, magnetic, or optical media for delayed or repeated transmission to the unsuspecting human. The patent also states that many modifications and variations of silent sound mind control are possible. The real-time transmission spoken of in the patent is the hypnotist's voice, as shown in the video Silent Sound Mind Control Explained. And this is shown as a tool used by organized stalkers to harass and control targeted individuals. The recording of brain waves that can induce any state of consciousness in a human, and the subsequent use of those brain waves in silent sound broadcasts, is another method of silent sound subliminal mind control. In U.S. Patent 5356368, Method of an Apparatus for Inducing Desired States of Consciousness, issued October 18, 1994. Frequency Following Response, or FFR, is used to take pre-recorded brain waves of specific levels of consciousness and transmit them into the brain of an unsuspecting human via microwave transmission. In Frequency Following Response, FFR, a human's brain waves are made to follow superimposed frequency patterns, overriding the human's own natural brain waves. As a result, the human's thoughts are not his own, and behavior modification is achieved using this method.
In other words, by studying the subtle characteristic brainwave patterns that occur when a subject experiences a particular emotion, scientists have been able to identify the concomitant brainwave pattern and can now duplicate it. These modified emotion signature clusters can then be broadcast over UHF carrier frequencies, i.e. regular TV and radio signals, and sent directly into the brain where they can then silently trigger the same basic emotion in another human being. In other words, if the emotional signature cluster for, say, a feeling of hopelessness and despair is being fed directly into your brain via unseen radio waves, you will feel those emotions.
So frequency following response, applied to humans via silent sound subliminal mind control, is one of the ways that the entire human population of the planet can be controlled via microwave signals broadcast over TV, radio, satellite, and other broadcast means. It's real.
What Dr. Pursinger is saying is that virtually any mental state can be artificially injected into a human brain from an exterior source. The most frightening thing is that the means for doing this already exists in a fully operational form on a worldwide basis. Quote, "The power levels for these amplitudes are similar to those associated with the signals generated globally by radio and communication system. Within the last 2 decades, a potential has emerged which was improbable, but which is now marginally feasible. This potential is the technical capability to influence directly the major portion of the approximately 6 billion brains of the human species by generating neural information within a physical medium within which all members of the species are immersed." Unquote. Dr. Pursinger's message, minus the jargon, is that the entire human race can be controlled through the use of electromagnetic influence piggyback on television and radio networks or other technological means.
Effectively, all consciousness is due to electromagnetic patterns generated within the brain. What we do is imitate what the brain normally does and apply it experimentally.
Where are these thoughts coming from?
Those thoughts came from the Neuroscience Laboratory at Laurentian University in Sudbury, Ontario.